I did 10. I'm going to do another 10. Yeah, it's difficult. I can't do 10. Yeah, it feels good that I did some pull-ups. I feel it in my chest now. So good. I feel like I'm strong. And we are now here in McDonald's, and I'm eating this burger, $8 meal. And you know, the lady, the service crew over there is beautiful. Still natural pace. Yeah, very nice, beautiful. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 1:16, and I was just here in a computer and sleep. I also sleep because outside is like this. It's gloomy. Yeah, since morning it was like that. And we are going out. Yeah, we are going to the petrol station first. Oh, there's a bird poop. I put just $50 today because I don't have much money, and I'm getting one of this. It's $3.89. So I put this in here, and then I was paying and I forgot to give. Good thing he pointed to me. Oh, I stopped here because I bought some fried items from that restaurant. Cappuccino is the name. Yeah, these things. And we are now here in Honeysuckle, here in Newcastle. The buildings here, they are new. They develop it like a business area, commercial center, business center. I actually don't have GPS. I'm just driving according to the road. But I am right, I end up here. Yeah, this is where I want to go, near the water. Very nice, there is a carnival here. I like this one. It's kind of a vegetable inside. I don't know the name. Maybe, I don't know, vegetable roll? Huh. And this one, they still sold it to me. Overpriced or long time on the heater. And there's one more. This one is a chicken scallop. The guy said this is their best seller. He also said that this one is delicious. Yeah. Yeah, I never had this before. It's like a potato. He said it's chicken scallop. Also, I never seen this served in any restaurant where I work. Chicken scallop. I don't taste much chicken. This place is where I stayed before, here in Newcastle. And look at that, there are many fishermen on that side. And you know, most of these are campers. Like this coaster, it's a camper. I can see inside all the house things. Yeah, there are more on the a little bit far side. This is how it is at the beach. Not so much people, but still a lot of surfer. Yeah. And these birds, they feel cold. And there are so many campers, van trailers on the second level. It's cold. And this place is actually, it's called Winter Pan Fest. Yeah, the time now is 3 o'clock. So may, oh, June 29, tomorrow. So it is going to open tomorrow, not today. They don't have Ferris wheel. How come no Ferris wheel? A Ferris wheel is the basic. They have this kind of bump car. Oh, I'm eating it again. Maybe it's not chicken scallop, maybe it's potato scallops. Maybe I heard wrong, or maybe he said it wrong. Yeah, I heard chicken scallop. And there is another ship. Yeah, maybe they're going to collect ore. It is started to rain. Yeah, so when we won't be able to walk around. And we are now here in the, oh, I don't know the name of the place, but we are actually going to Big W. There is something different with the GoPro these days. Maybe because of the update. Yeah, the quality is a little bit better, and the low lights. When you are crossing in the road, yeah, the car, they give way to the people. Yeah, I just went inside the Big W, just browsing. But they are going to close. It is already almost 15 minutes to 6 o'clock. And so I just decided to buy this. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, at the moment I am here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and I bought this Black & Decker a vacuum cleaner. I bought this because I can't clean in the house properly. There's no vacuum. The one that I have, the one that I bought from Kmart 5 years ago, it's already broken. And you know, this one is also available in Woolworths in Salamander Bay, but it's $79. But here it is on sale because this is the last piece, just $63. And it's actually hiding on the very bottom shelf. And I've seen this for a few days, couple of days that I was in Woolworths. Yeah, and so I decided to take it now. Actually, this one is very light. I feel like it's empty inside. Let's check. Oh, this is how it is. Oh. The charger and this. And I'm going home now because I'm going to edit video and hopefully be able to upload. Yo, good day guys. Yeah, it is now 3:48. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock. I did breakfast and I finished 2 o'clock. So I have been here for more than 1 hour. Yeah, I basically stopped by here because I want to do some workout. I mean, I want to do some pull-ups. Yeah. But when I get here, I feel lazy, I feel sleepy. And so I fall asleep here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to do some pull-ups. I don't know if it is too cold. I will be just wearing this shirt. Yeah, I should bring a gloves. Oh, I saw in the comments that having this, there's a possibility of issuing a fine for me. Like having destructive things in front of the car, you know. And I still have this coffee. Yeah, I made this from 5:30 this morning. And then I also have this during my break time around 11 o'clock. And now it's still warm. So this is how it is. Beautiful. There's one dog, yeah, coming from the water. Oh no. Yeah, I did that 10 and it's difficult. Then I'll do some and then I'll do again another 10. This is kind of my warm-up. Yeah, that's just 5. Okay, that's it. I'm going home now.